Fluval eTEC, efficient technology. Construction employs cutting-edge design, materials manufacturing methods to deliver powerful pump performance, reduced energy consumption and ultra-quiet operation. Powerful motor generates constant pumping power and pressure that endures over time and re-engineered. Precision-crafted pump runs up to 25% quieter than previous generation. Energy efficient. Some 07 series filters draw as little energy as a single household LED light bulb. Ergonomic AquaStop valves with raised lip for smoother operation, single-action dual-lift lock motorhead clamps for quick release and attachment, and primer with larger easy grip handle provides fast, effortless startups with just a few pumps. The Fluval 407 Cannister Filter is suitable for freshwater and saltwater aquariums up to 100 gallons 500 L. Top reviews from the United States. High-powered and quiet canister filter. R.E. The Fluval 307 Canister. I purchased this to replace a new and horribly air-leaky Marineland C220 canister. Hoping for no leaks and no noise, this Fluval unit does exactly what it should and with a couple of nice surprises. The flow rate is huge, fast, and can be adjusted, a nice touch. At full power this thing rocks water around my 55-gallon, 208-liter, aquarium, a bit too much, especially if you have smaller fish. A simple lifting of the valve on the canister, and the flow rate is reduced. Once can also get a spray bar, but this costs additional, why not include it? It is very quiet, so quiet that we cannot tell that it is working unless looking at the water flowing. Filter changes are easy with immediate access to the pre-filters for quick cleaning, and a stack of filter materials that you can choose from to meet your tank's needs. There are plenty of good media out there. If you have favorites, use them. The hoses are interesting but work. Do follow the installation instructions about hose length. Do I recommend this filter? Yes.